Calcutta, or presently known as Kolkata, is the capital of West Bengal, located in the eastern bank of River Hooghly. It is the second largest city in India. It was the capital of British Empire until 1911. The city itself a beauty where people live with love and joy, and that's the reason why Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Kolkata is home of many famous people such as Rabindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekananda, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mother Teresa, Sri Ramakrishna Paramasya, and many more. So, today we will have a look on the beauty of Kolkata, which defined the city by itself. Howrah Bridge was built in 1943, and today it's one of the city's main landmarks. It is a cantilever bridge with a suspended span over Hooghly River in West Bengal. It connects two cities, Howrah and Kolkata. Howrah Bridge is the busiest cantilever bridge in the world. It is also known as Rabindra Setu. In early morning, people come to take bath, and due to this, River Ganga gets polluted. The Howrah Station, the oldest station and the largest railway complex in India. Every morning, fishermen comes to capture fishes from water bodies to earn their livelihood. Malik Ghat Flower Bazaar, the Asia's largest flower market. It is also known as Howrah Pul Bazaar to the common people. This is mainly wholesale flower market with all varieties of flower coming from different part of the state. Marble Palace is a 19th century mansion in North Kolkata. It was built in 1835 by Raja Rajendra Malik. The mansion is famous for its marble walls and floors. It is the best preserved and the most elegant house of 19th century. General Post Office or GPO is the Chief Post Office of West Bengal. The GPO is remarkable for its high dome roof rising over 220 feet with white tall pillars. It handled most of the city's inbound and outbound mails and parcels. Raj Bhavan. It was built in 1803 and was known as the Government House in pre-Independence Day. It is the official residence of the Governor of West Bengal, presently Keshwari Nath Tripathi. The Writers' Building. It is the Secretariat building of the State Government of West Bengal. It was designed by Thomas Lyon in 1777. Writers' Building housed the office of the Chief Minister of West Bengal until 4th October 2013. The building previously served as the residence of the writers of the British East Indian Company. Calcutta High Court. Though the city's name was officially changed from Calcutta to Kolkata in 2001, but the old name is retained by the court as it is an institution. Surya Sen was a Bengali Indian independence activist who was influenced in Indian independence movement. Calcutta High Court is the oldest high court in India. It was established as the High Court at Fort William on 1st July 1862. Eden Garden was established in 1864. It is one of the most important stadium for the cricket matches. It is the largest cricket stadium in India and the second largest stadium in the world by its sitting capacity of 66,000 people. Victoria Memorial is the landmark of Kolkata. It is entirely made up of white marbles and is known as the large marble building in Kolkata. Victoria Memorial was made in the dedication to the memory of Queen Victoria. The memorial is spread over 64 acres of land. The garden is a place for people to spend their time with family and friends. This garden is an example for greenery. Standing at the top of the monument is the Angel of Victory. Victoria Memorial is now a museum and a tourist destination. Its foundation stone was set in 1906 and the building opened in 1921. The Victoria Memorial architect was William Emerson. The style of the memorial is a mixture of British and the Mughal elements. The Victoria Memorial has numbers of galleries, which includes the Royal Gallery, the National Leader Library, the Central Hall, the Sculpture Gallery, and the Arms Gallery, and newer, the Calcutta Gallery. The Maidan is the largest urban park in Kolkata. It is spread over 3 kilometers. It is a property of Indian Army. The Maidan is an historical and the cultural center of Kolkata and an entertainment place for Calcuttians. Due to the freshness and the greenery it provides to the metropolis, it has been referred to the lungs of Kolkata. Birla Planetarium. It is a single-stored circular structure designed in a typical Indian style. It is the largest planetarium in Asia and the second largest in the world. It is also known as Taramandal. St. Paul Cathedral is an Anglican church. It is said to be the largest church in Kolkata. It was also the first church built in the overseas territory of the British Empire. Its cover stone was laid in 1839 and the building was completed in 1847. The church was built to replace St. John's Church, which had become too small for Calcutta's growing European community. The church complex has a library situated over the western porch and a display of plastic art forms. College Street. The name derives from the presence of many colleges housing there. It is famous for its small and big bookstores, which gives its nickname Bahupara. The street is also dotted with countless very small bookshops which sells new as well as old books which are not even published nowadays. It is the largest second-hand book market in the world and the largest book market in India. The Kolkata Metro was the first metro railway in India, opening from commercial services from 1984. There are 24 stations from Neopara to Kavi Subhash. Around 6,50,000 people travel daily. The Kolkata Tram is currently the only operating tram network in India and the oldest operating electric tram in Asia, running since 1902. Burra Bazaar is the largest wholesale market in India. It is divided into highly specialized sub-markets. The name Burra derives from the popular name of Shiva. In Diwali, the market is transformed into a huge market. New Market, also known as Dharamtalla. New Market referred to the original enclosed market, but today the entire shopping area is known as New Market. The giant shopping urchin was thrown upon to the English populace with some fanfare on 1st January 1874. Then the Calcutta's first municipal market spread rapidly. Malls, the new trend of marketing, where we find various different brands under a roof. Kolkata have many such malls located in different areas. Except clothing, malls also provide us with various different facilities such as food counters, time zones, theaters, some random stalls of foods, electronic items, and etc. And nowadays, shopping malls are also best for go out with friends. The city just don't end with the monuments or the heritage building which we just saw, but it is more vast, the incredible Kolkata.